Hi friends, let's make yogurt popsicle. You like some peace up there? No? God is gonna go in heaven. And there's angel in heaven. And then when I'm gone, I'm going to show him. And Jesus is gonna be in your heart. In your heart.
Who?
Jesus. You don't.
What about Jesus?
He's in the cross and he's like that.
Oh, okay, so what you guys are gonna do?
We're gonna go put this in there and then put it in the fridge. And Jesus is gonna be happy.
Yeah, if you're good, right? Stand up.
So a genius. I'm good now.
You're good now. Okay, did you say sorry to Yvo?
Sorry, I did it. So like sorry. And I make like that.
Okay.
Not on my other eye.
Not on his other eye. Did you say sorry?
Sorry, sorry. That's all. Alright. You hit this twice, and this one's one. The next is reading.
Okay, so what are you gonna do? Yvo, what are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna go to heaven.
You're gonna go to heaven. That's right. We're all going to heaven.
We'll all go to heaven.
Yeah.
Take a shower. Let me do it first. I do it first.
Okay.
I do it first.
Here. You're making a what? An ice cream?
Yeah.
Ice cream milk?
Yeah.
Yogurt popsicle. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ethan.
Don't eat it. Why? You hungry? You want popsicle?
Wow.
I like it. I like yogurt.
That's a yogurt popsicle. A yogurt popsicle.
Vanilla. Vanilla. Wow.
Wow.
I like it. I like it too. I like it too. You copied me. I like it. I have the big one. Wow.
We still have two more. Which color do you want now, Yvo? Yvo will choose one. The red or the yellow?
Red.
Red. And Ethan will have the yellow. Oh. You fill it up. Wow.
Oh my. I like. I like this craft. Hey, I don't have a craft. I do. Or something.
Don't make it too full. Good job.
Yum.
Yummy.
I'm just gonna get. Yay!
Yay! Mmm.
Making popsicle.
Wow.
I like popsicle.
Like it? You want to put it in the fridge?
Yeah.
You're done? You want to put it in the freezer?
Fridge. This one melt.
Hmm? What is it?
This one is not gonna melt.
Oh, you're done? Okay.
So you the camera there.
What?
So you will wait. Okay?
What did you make?
That.
What's that?
It's ice cream. It's yogurt ice cream.
It's yogurt ice cream.
It feels so good. Now you have to wait.
Yeah?
Now you have to wait.
Okay.
Hey, the what is from there and the green is from there.
Mm.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay?
Then let's check your
Just take me with you.
popsicle. Yogurt popsicle.
You can help me. He says, I'm not a big turtle. I'm a big mouth, but I'm not a big turtle.
What color do you want?
I want.
Just one.
So we have three of them. Fish
How many all in all?
there. Go.
What are you checking, Ethan? What? What are you? You're checking your popsicle.
This one is popsicle, right?
Okay, and then?
And then I open it. You open it.
How many popsicles do you have?
This and that.
How many?
And
How many?
this.
What? How many is that?
Can you buy me
4.
4? Alright, 4.
Okay. Oh, you choose the color. Which color do you want?
I want this.
The blue? Okay. Come on, get up now. Oh, close the door.
The fridge and the door.
Oh. Come on.
Blue.
The blue.
The blue. Hey, the red and the blue are the
Yeah.
And the green and the yellow are the same.
Yeah.
They're and the
Oops.
and and
Oh. You try. Oops. No. Did Yeah? You already opened it, right? The yellow one? You try to open the blue one. Try to open the blue one. Hmm? Try to open. It's already open. You like it? Mm. You like it? Yummy? You like your popsicle?
I like it.
No?
It's vanilla.
It's vanilla. Vanilla flavor? Mmm.
Yummy. My favorite.
Mm. Yummy? Yummy? Yummy popsicle? What is that?
Yogurt popsicle.
A yogurt popsicle.
Name's Nosh.
Nash?
Yeah. Nosh is like a vanilla.
Is it healthy? It makes you big and strong?
Next time we're gonna buy this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm. Yummy.
I will have that.
Oh. You eat it with cereal.
Do you want to watch this?
Yeah?
Okay.
Show me.
Use this spoon on me. Let with your hands. I will do my hands.
Mm. Are you sharing your cereal?
Thank you for watching. See you next time.